When you're out camping, a noisy refrigerator can be both frustrating and concerning. However, before jumping to conclusions, it's important to understand what sounds are normal and what might be an indication of an issue with your Furrion FCR20DCAFA refrigerator. This compressor-driven refrigerator operates similarly to a household refrigerator, producing some noise when the compressor cycles on. Normal operation levels are around 45 to 50 decibels, about as loud as a quiet conversation. However, unlike traditional home refrigerators, RV refrigerators are installed inside cabinetry, which can naturally amplify sound. Unlike absorption-style refrigerators, which run almost silently, compressor-driven models will have some level of operating noise. It's common for the fridge to sound louder when first powered on because the compressor runs at high speeds to cool the unit quickly. Once the internal temperature stabilizes, the noise level will decrease. Sounds such as clicking, humming, or popping can also occur when the compressor starts or stops, or when different parts of the fridge expand and contract due to temperature fluctuations. If the fridge seems louder than usual, the issue could be caused by improper leveling, objects vibrating against the fridge, or insufficient clearance. If the refrigerator isn't on a stable and level surface, vibrations can increase, amplifying noise. Ensuring the floor is level and solid can help reduce unwanted sounds. Additionally, check the hinge mounting points at the bottom of the fridge and make sure they are fully secured. Objects stored on top of or against the fridge can also cause extra vibration, so clearing away any items in contact with the unit can help. Another factor is clearance. If the fridge is too close to surrounding walls or cabinetry, airflow may be restricted, increasing the likelihood of vibrations. The fridge should have at least 1 inch of space on all sides to allow for proper ventilation and minimize excess noise. If noise persists even after addressing these factors, the compressor itself may be the issue. If the refrigerator is much louder than usual, reaching 70 to 80 decibels, and isn't cooling properly, the compressor may lack sufficient oil. This can happen due to damage to the compressor casing, or if the fridge was stored on its side before installation. When this happens, oil can flow into the refrigerant lines instead of staying in the compressor. And if this unit was powered on too soon, the compressor windings may not have been properly lubricated. To fix this, turn off the refrigerator and leave it upright for 24 to 48 hours to allow the oil and refrigerant to settle back into their proper positions. If the noise remains excessive or cooling performance does not improve, the compressor may be permanently damaged. Since repairing a compressor requires cutting refrigerant lines, replacing the refrigerator is the only practical solution. The Furrion FCR20DCAFA refrigerator is designed to run efficiently at a reasonable noise level. If it seems louder than expected, checking for proper leveling, clearance, and potential compressor issues can help restore quieter operation. By taking the right steps, you can ensure your refrigerator runs smoothly and efficiently while minimizing any unnecessary noise during your trip.